As you may have heard, the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will probably cost $100 more than the iPhone 14 Pro. This may not be a straight price increase though, since sources say Apple will also be raising the storage capacities of the Pro models. Over the weekend, there were a few shaky rumors that the highest level of storage on the iPhone 15 Pro might be 2 terabytes. One of these rumors said that the lineup might start at 256 gigabytes instead of 128 gigabytes. According to a rumor from the well-known leaker via 9to5Mac, Apple might be thinking about enhancing the storage capacity of the iPhone 15 Pro to a whopping 2 terabytes. He also says that the source of this rumor is a supplier, but it's important to take this information with a grain of salt. After these rumors spread on the internet, a Weibo user also suggested that the iPhone 15 Pro might have a storage option of 2 terabytes starting by increasing the base storage from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. Currently, the iPhone 14 series starts with 128 gigabytes of storage, with choices to add more. This has often been seen as a fairly small amount of storage, especially for the Pro models. The iPhone 14 Pro models have a fourth tier with 1 terabyte of storage, while the base and Plus models have a maximum of 512 gigabytes. Rumors have said that the iPhone 15 series could have higher prices, which has made many people wonder what new features could justify this. More storage choices could be one of these features. The current option of 1 terabyte of storage is probably enough for most consumers, but there will be people who might benefit from even more storage space. Given that the camera on the iPhone 15 is expected to be even better than on previous models, adding a 2 terabyte option would be especially appealing, especially for video makers and content creators. It will be interesting to see how this price increase, along with predictions that the iPhone 15 will sell less than the iPhone 14, will affect Apple's sales. There's a lot of guessing going on right now, and either the storage rumor or the price hike rumor could turn out to be false, or even both. However, if prices do go up, they will go up in different amounts in different places, making some places worse off than others. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.